Brilliant, flawless, enduring, the ideal metal finish. Does not originate from our electrolytes that we produce individually for your product, nor does it find its origin in our state-of-the-art labs. And its secret does not lie in our high-quality chemicals, because our finishing process starts here, in the minds of our electroplating team. At IWG, we prioritize aesthetics and functionality since 1964. Our highly qualified chemists develop electrolytes that meet all requirements regarding looks, corrosion prevention, abrasion resistance, and contact resistance. We would never expect you to adapt your products to our electrolytes. We adapt our electrolytes to your products. At IWG, we create new possibilities. Specific layer sequences to reduce costs while keeping the same surface quality. Shorter exposure times to accelerate your production. Unique color effects. We use our state-of-the-art analytical lab to control the quality of your bath samples on a regular basis. We also offer on-site support. Through our international locations, we can assist you worldwide. In Austria, at the headquarters of our certified family enterprise, we produce high-quality electrolytes with a strong focus on sustainability and green energy. Our spacious warehouse allows us to offer short delivery times. For you, we'd love to put our heads together so that your products shine brilliantly in their optimal metal finishes. IWG. Our know-how is your success.